Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stabilizing the area. Clean the edge with isopropyl alcohol so adhesive bonds properly, and remove any loose material. Next, carefully trim ragged laminate with a sharp utility knife at a shallow angle to create a uniform surface. Once done, measure the damaged length and lay out contact cement, a small roller, clamps, and a scrap straight edge. You do this to control alignment and pressure, because a clean substrate and proper tools make the repair durable. You apply a thin, even coat of contact cement to both the substrate and the laminate edge. Timing matters, so wait until surfaces feel tacky, about 5 to 10 minutes, because premature contact prevents full bond. Then align the laminate using a scrap straight edge and press from one end toward the other to avoid trapped air. After initial contact, roll firmly with a laminate roller to compact the glue and use clamps to maintain pressure. This ensures maximum surface contact and a seamless finish. You let the adhesive cure fully, then trim any excess with a sharp blade and sand lightly to blend the edge. This prevents raised seams and improves appearance. If small gaps remain, fill them with a color-matched wood or laminate filler. For gaps larger than 1/8 inch, insert a thin replacement strip before gluing. If the edge delaminates again, make sure the substrate was fully dry and clean, and consider a stronger adhesive. This diagnostic step explains why some quick fixes fail over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.